Assalamu alaikum. Good evening to everyone from One Minute Blog. I hope you are all doing well. Today I will be discussing an interesting topics, the perspective of Bangladeshi generation regarding job market. Let's go. The main point. Bangladesh earned its independence in December 1971 through the sacrifice of millions. Today, after 54 years, our youth should have been the strongest driving force behind national development. After 54 years, unfortunately, most of them are still chasing limited government jobs, creating an unhealthy dependency and frustration year after year. Currently, reality of youth employment. Less than 5% of graduation secure government job. Around 40% engaged in private sector employment. Only 8 to 10% entrepreneur. Nearly 25 to 30% of our youth migrate abroad for work, contributing millions in remittance. This is imbalance, so that while remittance and private sector efforts are keeping the economy alive,